How to set the clock on a 2024 Lincoln Corsair Premium. What you're going to want to do, depending on what screen you're on, is just hit the Lincoln icon up here in the top left, and it's going to bring you out here to your main screen. From here, you're going to want to hit Settings, and on Settings, you're going to be looking for Clock. If you don't see Clock, as you see, there's like 3 screens. You're just going to drag left or right until you find the clock setting and just click on Clock. Once you click on Clock, it is super simple. You have these 2 buttons right here to the left. They're going to arrow up and down to control your hours. These 2 buttons on the right arrow up and down to control your minutes. The grayed out button is what's selected. So right now the AM is selected. If you want PM, just click on PM. You can select 24-hour mode. Right now it is off. If you click on it, it is now on. The little slide is to the right, and you see the time change to the 24-hour setting. Just click it again to turn it off. Same thing, you can do the auto update. Clicking on it, the little slide moves to the right, and that turns your auto time update on. So it's going to update the time from the GPS settings inside the vehicle. Once you're done, you can turn that back off. Once you're done, you can hit this back button right underneath that Lincoln icon. That's going to take you back to your settings page. And at that point, you can go wherever you need to go. That's how you set the clock on a 2024 Lincoln Corsair Premium. I hope that helps. If it did, be sure to give us a like, subscribe to the page. That way you can find us easily next time you need to update your clock. Thanks.